Hello, I'm Matt from Central Cleaning Supplies, one of the senior account managers here. Central Cleaning Supplies are one of the largest cleaning supply distributors here in Australia, and we've been operating for over 30 years and we're a privately owned business. We're the exclusive distributor of the TSM products here in Australia, and some of the largest clients that we deal are councils, contract cleaners, hospitals, aged care facilities, and we're putting a lot of the TSM range of products in those facilities. One of the biggest areas that we've had success are in our airports, hospitals and aged care. The advantage to the TSM machines for us to pass on to our client, and the big word here in Australia at the moment, is that sustainability. We're able to give that to our clients to pass on to their clients as well. The quick runtime and charge time of the Wilmot 50 and the Wilmot 35, which are our number one sellers here at Central Cleaning Supplies. The Itala 135 sweeper, versatile. It can be used as a walk behind, can be used as a ride on, can also be used as a chariot style machine. Our customers love that versatility of that machine. Once again, the sustainability of it. Good runtime, good charge time on the machine. But finally, Aromatic. We've got into shopping centres, we've got into our airports, and we're also using them at our festivals. These machines are a big seller to our clients, and our clients love them. Some of the new machines that we've brought in is the Brio, small walk behind scrubber. Clients love it, large hallways, easy to use, easy to clean. And once again, that sustainability option is what TSM is all about, that we're able to pass on to our clients. We've been in partnership with TSM now for more than 5 years. And that partnership between Central Cleaning Supplies and TSM is getting bigger and bigger each year. As new products come onto the market, we're able to sell that onto our customers, who can sell on to their customers. We're proud to have TSM as part of our range, and we know that the friendship and the relationship between the two companies is only going to get bigger and bigger as each year goes by.